and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're taking a little bit of a break from our smoothies and we're going to be making a frozen strawberry lemonade. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So I know I've been on a smoothie kick, to say the least, but we're going to take a little bit of a break, and I know it's still a drink, but this one, I just had to recreate this. So this is going to be a frozen strawberry lemonade. Now, is this going to be the healthiest drink? No. Is it going to be delicious? Yes. So we're going to try it. So I have different strawberries here with me today. I have Smart Harvest strawberries. I went through those other bags like there was no tomorrow. I mean, they were really good strawberries, but this was like double the size and like I think even cheaper than the other bags. So I'm going to try this one out and we'll see how it is. But all you're going to need is your strawberries, some ice that we have over here, a little bit of water, a sweetener, whatever sweetener you want to use, if it's granulated sugar, if it's brown sugar, if it's honey, if it's whatever you want to use. And of course, we're going to need some lemon juice. So over here, I just took the rim, wet it a little bit, and then just like dipped it in some sugar to be a little fancy, but you don't have to do that. So all we're going to be doing here, just like our other videos, is just take your blender, or in this case I have my NutriBullet here, and then we're just going to be adding these ingredients in and then just blending away. So doesn't matter what order you add them in here because everything is pretty much like liquid. There's no like powders. I mean, I guess you can add your sweetener last depending on what sweetener you're using, but so you're going to want to add between 1 to 2 cups of your strawberries. So it's always good with whatever you're measuring to measure obviously on the lower end first and then add if you need it. So I'm just going to do a cup and a half to start because I mean this is frozen strawberry lemonade, so you need your strawberries. So we're going to start out with that. And then I do have some ice here, but I don't want to add all of it because I don't want this to be like super crazy or hard to mix because I still can't use my Vitamix, which I would love to use. That would be ideal here. So we're just gonna, I don't know, add a good amount of ice. I will have, of course, all of the measurements in the description box as always. So you're gonna have your lemon juice. And add water before I add all this sweetener. How good does this look already? Oof. Okay, your sweetener. You should have something that looks like this, your little layers. So all you're gonna do is put your lid on or whatever it is that you're using. You're gonna start to blend this up. So just like the other videos, depending on the consistency that you want or the flavor, you might notice like, okay, this looks like not like a frozen strawberry lemonade. This looks like white, or this is super liquidy and not really frozen. So just play around with it, but I'm just going to put a couple of these things away. I'm going to leave my strawberries out in my ice because I might want to tweak this a little bit. All right, let's get to blending. You guys, this looks insane. Seriously, this looks insane. So I'm definitely happy that I didn't add all of the ice because I know it's a frozen lemonade, but this is like frozen. If that would have spilled out, I don't even know what to say. So clearly it's thick, you know what I mean? It's not runny at all. So this is a good consistency. I would say that I added, I don't know, maybe like 1 cup of crushed ice or 1.5 cups of crushed ice instead of like the 3 cups that it says. I mean, I'm sure as you add more ice and you add more strawberries and whatever, you can change the other ingredients a little bit and just make more of it, but this seems pretty good to me. So I'm just going to transfer this to my cup, clean this up a little bit, and then we're going to try some. You guys, this looks delicious. Now I will say this is one of those that like I have the little, not the little, it's kind of like a big spout NutriBullet in this cup, and I did spill a little bit, so just be a little careful when you're pouring. but I'm so excited to try this. Oh my. You guys, this is amazing. I don't think I've used any lemon in the other videos. Maybe in the detox smoothie I think I used a lemon, but this is amazing. Now, I'm not telling you to put alcohol in this, but if you did, I think this would be like amazing. It's just one of those drinks that I think would work really well. This is so good. I cannot wait to make these and hang out by the pool, or to add some alcohol, or to make, ooh, I should make the ice pops out of these. I think that would be really good. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other of my videos. And share this video with anybody who loves a good frozen strawberry lemonade, because I don't know anyone who doesn't like strawberry lemonade. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye. This is delicious.